What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, Joe? What up, Swirls? What up, Austin?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Appreciate everyone for being here, nice and early, as always. And what's up, Beelzebub? Okay, so today is Tuesday, June 14th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright, so today wasn't all too bad, huh? We're doing the show from the stock exchange today, because not everything was in the complete red, but arguably we could have did Reminiscent again. NASDAQ did finish in the green, but SPY and Dow Jones in the red today. Looks like we had a pretty strong power hour, you know, which is better than nothing. But, yeah, still finish in the red here. So, yep, losing more money. What's new? And what's up, Zach? Less go? Yeah, less go, but still go. Calm before the chaos tomorrow? Why tomorrow? Isn't, the Fed talks on Friday. Or Jay Powell's going to talk on Friday, isn't he? So, yeah. Wouldn't be surprised if we just keep on going down. Or is the rate hikes tomorrow? Anyway, we got a, article about the rate hikes coming up here very shortly. That power hour had me still freaking about tomorrow. Freaking out about what? You think it's going to go up tomorrow? Because, I think you're still holding strong those puts, Austin. But yeah, power hour was pretty good. Still finishing the red, though. But hey, better than nothing. Alright, guys. So yeah, today we're doing the show from the stock exchange because NASDAQ is in the green, but everything else still in the red. Still a pretty bad day. But not nearly as bad as yesterday. Gotta take your small wins now. Alright, so, appreciate everyone for being here. And yeah, today's show shouldn't be too long. Well, we'll see. But as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Got 4 articles today. One about Coinbase and Binance. One about BlockFi. One about the Fed and their rate hikes coming soon. And one about SpaceX. So 4 articles. Today for the analysis, for the TA, we're going to do 2 of them. We're going to do Redbox and IMPP. You know, which we've been covering for a while now. Redbox major price action today. So we have to cover that again. And IMPP, also major price action, had earnings and still a hot stock on social media, so we'll cover that as well. Wasn't going to do IMPP at first. We're just going to do Redbox, but it did have 6,000 mentions, which is quite a bit. So, yeah, we'll do IMPP. Shouldn't take too long. And then we'll get to the Yolos. Yolos shouldn't take too long either. A lot of memes, and I think some lost coins, but yeah, those shouldn't take long at all. So yeah, guys, maybe we'll aim for, as usual, hour and a half, 2 hours today. Probably closer to the 2-hour side, depending on how many people come in chat. But Tuesdays are usually the slowest day for streaming, at least. So I'm not expecting too many people to come in today, but hey, if you guys do want to chat, then cool with me. Always welcome to kick it. Always a pleasure. Someone move that. I feel like it is, but still holding because Biden is still the president. Yeah, Biden gets, well, shout out to Biden. Yeah, you know, I don't like the guy, but I have to admit, the economy is not his fault. You know, that's the hard thing about being a politician, being the president. You know, when the economy's good, everyone's happy, you take credit for it. When the economy's bad, you get blamed, and no one likes you. And, you know, so honestly, yeah, I think Trump got out at a good time, or he got kicked out at a good time, because if he was still president, he'd probably be getting, I mean, I think he'd be doing a better job, but I think people would not like him, because it doesn't matter who you are, when you're the president and the market's doing bad, no one's happy. But yeah, I could use the Trump market again. That'd be very nice. So yeah, Biden not my favorite character, but he does get a lot of hate, which he doesn't deserve. I will admit that. Not really his job. It's the Fed's job. It's Jay Powell's job. VIX falling a bit, but looks scary in my opinion. Yeah, VIX is going down. Went down quite a bit today, for 4.5%. Kind of weird, because everything did go down. Usually when things go down, VIX goes up. But hey, not complaining at all. Will the VIX reverse split if it falls too low? No. I don't think that's ever happened before. No, it won't. VIX usually holds around 20. It's usually average around 20. No, I don't think that's possible. Maybe it is possible, but don't remember the last time that happened, if it did. So I'm going to say no on that one. Peace above. Alright, guys. So, yeah. Appreciate everyone for joining me today. Shouldn't be that long of a show. And, yeah, let's get started. And before we begin, please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright. And boom. So yeah, I was just looking at SPY here to close the day. Yeah, during power hour, last 45 minutes, had a big run up, and it pulled back. We hit 375, and now it's pulling back, but nice little recovery here during power hour. I'll take it. Okay, let's see. Actually, a decent amount of green. Not bad. Alright, so let's do the watch list, guys. Lagging a little here. That's alright. So the Dow Jones down 0.5%. NASDAQ up 0.2%. And the S&P down 0.38%. So, you know, not a terrible day. Not a terrible day, but still slightly bearish. We'll give that some applause. A lot better than yesterday. Oop, wrong button. My bad, guys. Not the bell. We just talked about the VIX, but yeah, that's down 4.23% today. Went down quite a bit. Down 1.44 points. So the VIX is now at 32.6, which is pretty terrible. But, hey, we got to do it all again. VIX slowly comes down, gets some momentum, positive momentum. Slowly comes down, down, down to the low 20s. Sometimes we break 20. And then in like 2-3 days, it shoots right back over 30. So, nothing new here. That's 2022 in a nutshell. So yeah, VIX is pretty bad, but heading in the right direction. Bitcoin was really scary yesterday. Called the bottom at 21K though. Yeah. I did see you guys chatting about that in Discord. I did jinx it, huh? I really did. I said I think it's holding strong at 30. It looks like it wants to break 32. And then, nope.
Bruh.
Yeah, then we go down 30% in, you know, a couple of days. And yeah, it was looking really scary, but I did see saw an article. So I forgot who it was, but some big TA guy said really shouldn't break 20K. So I'm hoping that's the case. But yeah, go all around. All right, let's get to the watch list today. And please smash the like button if you haven't yet, guys. So it looks like China's doing really well. Li Auto, Neo, Xpeng leading the way. Chinese EV's doing really good. Alibaba, Baidu. Bed Bath & Beyond did really well today. Wonder why. And Oracle as well. I think we talked about Oracle yesterday. I think it had earnings. But yeah, China leading the way today. Got Novavax up. GME's up quite a bit. SoFi. Boeing doing pretty good. Got DraftKings, Marathon. So I think crypto stocks are making a little bit of a comeback here. Moderna's up 4%. Ford did pretty good, 3.4%. AMC, 3.4%. Honorable mention AMC. MicroStrategy going back up a little bit. GM. We got Clover, HYMC, Palantir, Tesla's up 2.3%. So yeah, tech not doing too bad today. Looks like a lot of stocks are recovering. Because I remember like Ford and GM went down a lot yesterday. Those car companies. I think they went down like 9%. DWAC, damn it, gut. Yeah, I did see that. So if I just diamond-handed rainbow balls it, I would have made my money back. But yeah, I knew that was going to happen. You know, just a matter of when, not if. So, yeah. DWAC getting wrecked. To be expected. Okay. What else we got here? Got Tilray, Roku, Nvidia, Microsoft, Twitter, Apple, Costco. Not too much price action though, so yeah, definitely China leading the way. China making some big gains today. And then growth and tech after that. So I think China may have bottomed out. Not financial advice, but it looks like China is going pretty strong. Alright, on the red side now, I think Bitcoin saw at least a short-term bottom, but if Celsius liquidates or the short get at Tron, then we dump lower. Yeah, there's a lot of Celsius drama right now. Did they open up withdrawals again, or are they still? Is that still shut down? Yeah, very, very suspect. All the exchanges actually. If they didn't halt withdrawals, you know, they're laying off their workforce. Coinbase did it. I got an article about that coming up. I think FTX did it. I think Gemini did as well. And they're all getting sued. So there's a lot of drama going on with the exchanges. Very unstable environment right now. Nope, shut down. Still? Wow. Yeah, I'd be pooping my pants right now if I was invested in Celsius. That is a red flag. For sure. And what up, Wilson? What's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Appreciate you as always. So today's the cow, huh? I think yesterday was what up, Tiger. Now it's the cow. Is there a bear? You can put a bear. Oh, is that supposed to be a bull? What up, bull? Anyway, appreciate it, dude. Celsius had to stop withdrawal to keep from getting liquidated? Yeah, because they got no cash. Because it's a Ponzi. Or it sure seems like it. The way they're paying out 10% a year. And Crypto.com does the same thing, so I don't think Crypto.com is in trouble of getting liquidated, because they are much bigger, but you know, those types of returns are not very sustainable. So, yeah, we'll keep an eye on Celsius, but very suspicious what's going on there. And just all around suspicious stuff happening in all the markets. What up, Tyler? Well, what a day. What's up, dude? Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Yeah, today was a little bit crazy. Not nearly as bad as yesterday, but yeah, pretty volatile day. Most of the day was in the red, and strong power hour. So, not a terrible day, but still slightly bearish. Crazy stuff. DWAC, Trump getting attached on his birthday. Attacked? Is today his birthday? Shout out to Trump. Shout out to Trump and Biden. Give him both a shout out today. They're both old as hell now, right? I think Trump was the oldest president, and now Biden's the oldest president. So, old-ass dudes there. All right, let's get back to this on the red side. So, Redbox down 34%, which we'll discuss first today. So, yeah. Nasty day in Redbox. So, I still think there's more downside to go. We'll talk about that in a second. But, yeah. I knew that was going to happen, just a matter of when, not if. And, interesting, I didn't really get hate about it. I just got constructive criticism. Because there's usually these random moon boys. But there was actually, like, subs of the channel saying I was wrong. So, I hear you guys. But, so it did go up more than I expected. But, you know, at some point or another, it was going to have to crash. And I think there's a bit more downside to go. But we'll discuss that more in depth in a second. later in the show. DWAC honorable mention. That did make StockTwits. Had like 3,000 mentions, but not going to discuss it today. But yeah, that's down 28%. IMPP, which we'll discuss second today, down 21%. They had earnings, so we'll get to that. AERC, that's pulling back. That squeezed. And what else we got here? Damn, Square went down 4%. Looks like Wells Fargo went down 4%. What happened there? A lot of travel stocks here. Cruises, airlines down. Got Carnival, Norwegian, American Airlines. Coke went down 2.7%. Interesting. Delta Airlines. Pepsi went down as well. Uber. Oxygen, BitNile. Looks like financial's not doing too well today. JP Morgan. PayPal. Target down 1.5. Amazon down. Netflix, MMAT. BBIG. But that's holding around $2 pretty strong. Lyft, Verizon, eBay, Coinbase. Yeah, there's actually not too much in the red. Most of the price action was growth, for sure. Not too much movement in value. So yeah, overall, today wasn't terrible. Wasn't that bad. Slightly bearish, but wasn't that bad. Way better than yesterday. So you know it's a problem when you celebrate slightly bearish days. You know, we didn't lose that much money today. Okay, let's get to crypto. Got excited on Redbox pre-market. Got in at 11, total fail. That's not too bad, actually. 11. So, what's it at now? 10. So, you really didn't lose that much money. Less than 10%. So, sorry to hear that, dude. But you did make money on the long side, didn't you? So, I think overall you're still up. But, yeah. Wouldn't call that a total fail. Total fail would have been like 15. But 11's not too bad. So, you're alright, dude. You'll be alright. Sorry to hear that. But it's not the end of the world. Live and learn. Celsius coin up 116% today. Don't know WTF is with that. I think it was up more. I think it was up 500% earlier, if I'm not mistaken. I saw an article about that. Yeah, no idea what's going on with Celsius. That's some very, very shady stuff. Don't really know why I'd be buying Celsius right now. But yeah, definitely, manipulation, as the apes would say. Something's going on there. Something crazy. Something shady's going on there. You mean IMPP missed earnings a lot? What did I say? Didn't I say IMPP? Well, if I misspoke, my bad. But yeah, IMPP had earnings. They missed, so we'll get to that. What up, Punk Skater? What's up, dude? Don't think you're here yesterday, so welcome back. Either Jay Powell raises rates 50 points and let inflation run up, or raise rates 75 points and high interest rates are going to lead us into a recession. I do have a meme about that later, so stay tuned for that during the Yolos. But yeah, what is it? You're doomed if you do, you're damned if you don't. That's the saying. Pretty much that's where we're at. So yeah, Jay Powell in a tough spot. Everyone loved him when the money printer was on. Everyone hates him now. Okay. Crypto time. And what up, Low Roller? What's up? Give everyone that just came in the what's up.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
What happened? Redbox stock today? I told you sell Redbox stock. I told you sell Redbox stock yesterday. Well, I also said that. Yeah, today was BitConnect. Give it the BitConnect. People are now saying 75 points will be bullish. Well, it's just disappointing because Jay Powell did say, We don't plan on raising the rates any higher. We're going to keep it at 50. No plans to, be more aggressive, all that good stuff. No one believes a damn thing this guy says. First, inflation is transitory. Soft landing. Not more than 50 points. No one believes this guy. So, I think the consensus now is that it might be priced in, honestly. I think people are expecting 75-point increase. Yeah, Joe says the same thing. I think the market is priced in 75. Kind of seems like it. We'll see. Buy the dip on Bitcoin. Not financial advice, but yeah, I sure would. And then it'll keep on dipping and you lose more money. He probably rug pull tomorrow. It will be 1% tomorrow. Who? What is Celsius? J Powell? J Powell contradicted himself, LMAO. Well, yeah, he just goes back on his word all the time. So, yeah, which time he contradicted himself? Yeah, but he has no choice now. Fed futures already priced in 75. The Fed got you. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. But I think everyone is expecting a 75% point hike. So what happens if it stays at 50? Is that bullish? Netflix chart is most bullish chart out there, in my opinion. Yeah, I think it made a new low today. Go. No, it did not make a new low. But it was pumping pretty hard. It went from 163 up to 200 and back down to 167 now. So, yeah, the chart does look really good. But, hey, it's going to be a while. All right, let's get a crypto, guys. 1 second here. Let me check YouTube. We're at 8 viewers, 10 likes. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. And give me 1 second. Let's get to crypto. I think crypto's coming back. Let's check it out. Yeah, so market cap is not even $1 trillion anymore. 940 billion. Wow. I don't know. Netflix has lots of competition. Yeah, it's different now. They're not the they don't have a monopoly anymore. But what they'll end up doing is probably they're gonna buy out one of these companies, or Apple could buy them. That's all it is. I didn't see the South Park yet, but I didn't even know there was a new South Park. But there's a new South Park. I think it came out on Monday or something. South Park Streaming Wars, and I saw the commercial. It's like we all know how this is gonna end. Like 2 or 3 companies are gonna buy everyone else up, and it's just like a race to the top now. So it'll probably be in the end. It'll probably be like Apple, Amazon, and Netflix, and they're gonna buy up all the other ones: Paramount, Discovery, HBO, all that stuff. Too many right now. Hulu, Disney. Oh, Disney's probably gonna be another one. XNG. They're making Squid Game 2, though. Yeah, 2nd season, right? That's not going to save them. If crude oil follows AM, going all in, XOXL, QQQ. Careful, dude. Let's check out XNG, but yeah, careful, Zach. Good luck to you, but careful. Yeah, natural gas did take a dump today. Looking pretty bad here. El Salvador sweating? Yeah, and MicroStrategy as well. I did read something that MicroStrategy is not going to get liquidated, though. Everyone said 21K, but that guy doesn't seem to be too worried. Michael Saylor. And El Salvador, I like the guy. Forgot his name, the president. He has the right idea, but, he guessed wrong. He had bad timing, and the citizens can't be too happy with him. Just YOLOing their money like that. But I think long-term it's going to pay off. Kroger guy asked, pay raise his job. The boss said no. Now he's crying. He needs to pay his rent, food, because he's been working minimum wage since 16 years old. How does he expect a pay raise? What, he's been there for a week or something? Well, maybe he can go find a better job and, stop working dead-end jobs. Have a degree. Why don't you go be a teacher or something? Or a manager at Amazon. Like, you can get a pretty decent job. I don't know what he's complaining about. But yeah, more Kroger drama. There can't be much more downside in SPY before a big squeeze. Well, we'll see. But yeah, we did talk about SPY yesterday. And my bad, guys, didn't put out the video. I just finished it not too long ago, before the show. So I'm going to put out the SPY and Bitcoin video after we're done here. But yeah, we did talk about it yesterday. Technically, we're already in a recession. It may come down to like, I don't think it's going lower than 360. That's where 25% would be, down from 480. So yeah, I agree. I think it really shouldn't go below 360, but it's possible. So we'll see. But yeah, it's been real rough already. Really shouldn't go too much lower. This token got featured on Fox News Business. All right, we'll check it out in a sec. All right, guys, Bitcoin time. Or crypto time. Okay. Let's see here. Where's the market cap? Doesn't even tell you what the total market cap is now. Or the market cap down. Alright, whatever. So here's crypto. Oh, this is pretty bad. So here's crypto. Bitcoin is down 7% today. Yeah, we're back at 22. So, trending, we got Bitcoin, Gala, and Terra Classic. People are still trading Terra. Interesting. Biggest gainers, Mint to Earn, Meta, and Moonrays. Okay.
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
Alright, let's check it out. I don't want to do this, but yeah, let's check it out. So Bitcoin's down 7%, another 7%, down to 22K. Oh my god. Make it stop, make it stop. You know, it seems like not too long ago, I sold calls at 48K. That was actually back in March, I think. So like 3 months ago, we were at 48K. And now we're down here at 22K. What the hell's going on? I should have cashed out then. Oh well. Crazy stuff. Ether's down 6%, under 1,200 now. Binance down 5%, Cardano 5%, XRP 4%, Solana 2%, Doge 2.3%, Polkadot's up, and Leo is up. Interesting. Damn, Tron down 18%. The hell's going on there? Sheeb 7%, Polygon 11%, FTX 8%, Chainlink's up, Chronos down, Monero down 16%, Bitcoin Cash down 7%. What the hell? This is bad. Yeah, terrible day for crypto. I wonder what the actual market cap is, though. Like, how much that went down. So bad they don't even want to show you anymore. But yeah, we used to be at like 3 trillion market cap. Now it's under 1 trillion. So a lot of money has come out of crypto. Alright, let's sort this out. So, green side first. There's actually a decent amount of green here. Not really. We'll call it 10 coins in the green, 90% in the red. Biggest gainer, Helium, 11%. Then Bitcoin SV, Chainlink. Biggest value gainers, Leo and Chainlink. Yeah, not much in the green. So not much in the green, not much price action in the green. And on the red side, 90% of the coins in the red. Big price action here. Biggest loser, Tron, then Monero, Arweave, UOB, Polygon. Polygon looks like or Tron and Polygon looks like the biggest value losers. But yeah, good mix of value and growth in the red here. Yes, a lot of red, a lot of price action in the red. Disgusting.
And it's gone.
So, yep, crypto winter is here, and it's going to be here for a while. This really sucks. He's leaving job all the time. That's why he's stuck minimum wage. Yeah, because he just complains, and he's entitled. He thinks he deserves better, but, you know, it's up to him at the end of the day. And with an attitude like that, he's not going to go anywhere. I went Kroger Guy live stream. He got 26 viewers. He got more viewer than you on live stream. I think, I mean, right now, probably. I'm pretty sure I've had more than 26 at one point. Definitely have. The record is 26 likes, so we definitely had more than 26 viewers at one point. What is that, his live stream? Maybe we'll check it out later. First altcoin I bought was SafeMoon. Lol, what a joke. Yeah, Dave Portnoy's coin. SafeMoon. Is that why you bought it, Dave Portnoy? Yeah, CoffeeZilla did a whole investigation on that. Yeah, but, you know, don't blame you. I've had my fair share of trading poop coins as well. I've traded quite a few back in the day, so nowadays, you know, I just stick to Bitcoin, Ether. And Doge I have now, which, you know, I thought was a poop coin, and then I finally gave in. I was like, all right, it's legit. And then I buy it, and then it goes down, of course. But yeah, not financial advice, but I just stick to, you know, Bitcoin and Ether nowadays. Don't really trust anything else. He stay on 25 viewers all the time on live stream. Interesting. I guess he got some loyal fans there. No, I was in before El Prez, but I love the dude, so I was happy he bought. Yeah, seems like a really likable guy. I wish him success, you know, young guy. But yeah, just terrible timing. The YouTube link is Elon Goat. Alright, maybe we'll take a look at it later. But yeah, guys, there's crypto. There's the stock market and crypto. So, not a terrible day in the stock market, but slightly bearish. And really bad day in crypto. So, yeah, overall, good. Alright, let's get to some news today. 1 second, let me pull it up. Getting some lag here. And let's just check YouTube real quick. 6 viewers, 11 likes. Alright, so appreciate everyone who's still here. I think I froze for a second. Gotta let this finish loading. Okay, still loading. Yeah, appreciate everyone who's still here. And please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. And yesterday, I think we got like 19 likes. So, much more than I expected. So, appreciate you guys for that.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And what up, Busybone? What's up, dude? Go? Yeah. Every single day, go. This year, go. Probably the rest of the year, go. And possibly 2023 as well. So, yeah. I feel you, dude. So, appreciate you for being here, man. And yeah, it's been rough. It's been real rough. What's that, low roller? Jake Paul? Alright, guys, so today we got 4 articles. And possibly more from the community. I got one article here about Coinbase and Binance, one about BlockFi, one about the Fed, and one about Elon Musk and SpaceX. So let's do it here. Mostly crypto news. So yeah, Coinbase cuts team size by 18% while Binance opens 2,000 new vacancies. So, pretty weird, because most of these exchanges are, you know, downsizing. So, I think FTX, was it FTX or, I think it was FTX, or Gemini, it was one of them, cut their workforce by 10%. Coinbase cuts it by 18%, almost a fifth of their workforce. And he's saying, because we might be going through a recession, so they need to save money, which is understandable. But how is Binance opening more positions? That's counterintuitive. And also, didn't they just halt withdrawals? I think they reopened it, but so Binance seems to be going pretty strong still. Not really sure what's going on though. That's a bit weird. Unless Binance is just way ahead of everyone else. But yeah, for the most part, crypto exchanges are saving money now while we go through this recession. But not sure what's going on with Binance. That is pretty weird. Interesting. Maybe they don't believe it's a recession. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, Coinbase cut its workforce by a fifth, and Binance 2,000 new jobs. All right, next article. BlockFi fined $943,000 for not registering securities in Iowa to pay $100 million in settlement. Oh boy. Yeah, so more exchange news. Seems like every exchange going through some scandal right now, getting sued, getting hacked, I don't know, laying off people, denying withdrawals, suspending withdrawals. But yeah, multi-state investigation found that BlockFi has sold unregistered securities and misrepresented facts about its loan risk. So we're not going to go through all this stuff, but yeah, in 53 jurisdictions, they were investigated by 53 jurisdictions. Wow. And they also have to pay $50 million to the SEC. Oh, so $50 million to the SEC and $50 million to 53 other jurisdictions. I just don't get how they get fined so much, but yet the hedge funds get slapped on the wrist with like a couple million when they do insider trading. Feds don't like crypto, huh? And yeah, apparently they said their loans were much safer than they actually were. Yep, so BlockFi in trouble here. Another one in trouble. So yeah, they got to pay $100 million in fines. I didn't appreciate Elon crapping on Lucid today. Low blow. I want to dump Tesla now. I did not hear about that. Sounds pretty Elon though. But yeah, I didn't hear about that. Kind of a dick move. But he is kind of a dick now. He just does whatever he wants. So not surprised. And kind of not surprising that he was talking bad about Lucid. But yeah, I didn't know about that. He said they're going bankrupt. Well, I'm not sure how true that is. It could be true, but they're doing a lot better than a lot of other EV companies. I'll just say that they're one of the more legit ones. Yeah, tough business. Still bad sportsmanship. Yeah, it definitely is. But that's competition, and he is the richest man in the world. He can do whatever he wants. Not surprised at all. Are you surprised? But I didn't hear about that. I'll check it out later. All right, next article here. Fed likely to boost interest rates by 0.75 of a point this week. So this is foreshadowing. Fed policymakers are entertaining the idea of a 75 basis point rate increase this week, according to CNBC. Bond yields are pointed. All right, whatever. So, yep. So we're just talking about this. Apparently, everyone is expecting a 75 point hike. Even though Jay Powell said he's not going to do it. But then again, he changes his mind a lot. And it may be already priced in. But yeah, seems like everyone is expecting 75 point hikes from here on out. And maybe that's why the market's going down so much. Big reason why. So we'll see what happens this week. Hopefully it's already priced in. Hopefully they raise it 50 and not 75, and that'd be pretty bullish. But, yep. You know, they got to do what they got to do. They printed themselves into this problem, and now everyone's pissed off because inflation's running rampant. So this is what we got to do to fix it. So we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed it's not that bad. All right, last article. This one's some minor news here. Elon Musk says SpaceX will have Starship ready to fly in July amid FAA work. So that's pretty close, July. So Elon Musk said the company will have a Starship prototype rocket ready to fly by July, with the space venture aiming to reach orbit with the vehicle for the first time. The FAA has made a crucial environmental decision on Monday that concluded a long-awaited assessment of the Starship program. The company is developing its nearly 400-foot tall reusable Starship rocket with the goal of carrying cargo and people beyond Earth. Okay. So, awesome. But Elon Musk does promise a lot of stuff. Way too early. Promised the Cybertruck. He's promising the Optimus robot now, and he's promising this. So, I wouldn't be surprised if it gets delayed by a year or two. But, sure hope not, though. You know, we still got a long way to go in space. But he's definitely leading the way here. So, wish him the best. Wish the project the best. And yeah, we're just talking about Elon Musk. This guy's running the world, huh? Tesla, Twitter. Well, not Twitter yet, but Tesla, SpaceX. And possibly Twitter soon. Okay. So that's all I got. It looks like Low Roller has some stuff for us. So let's pull that up. 1 second here. Okay. How many links? Got quite a few links today, huh? Alright, let's see here. Still loading a bunch of this stuff, but alright, what's this? Elon Goat? Is this new? Elon Goat? Yeah, don't buy this, guys. How long has this been out for? Hey, it's been out for quite a bit. It's been out since the start of 2022. So, pretty big pullback since then, but yeah, don't buy this, guys. Meme coin here. I don't know why this stuff is taking so long to load. One second. What's this? Will Jake Paul's cryptocurrency investment stand the test of time? What, his doink dink? His dink doink? That's what he was shilling last. Jake Paul is poor after he put it all in crypto, said his brother. I don't think he's poor. Maybe he's a poor rich guy now. He has promoted a number of rug pull crypto scams, which could have lost him money. But yeah, he was paid to do that. His dink doink. He's a known fan of Bitcoin and Dogecoin, which could claw his wealth back in the future. Alright, so, Oh, he lost at 500. He lost 500K in Luna. And KSI lost 3 million. Wow. Yeah, so he's rich poor. So he's not rich anymore, he's just rich poor. So don't feel too bad for him. He'll be okay. Binance seems to become a super app with split crypto partnership. Allow users to pay for taxi and food services using crypto. Yeah, I don't think anyone actually pays for stuff in crypto. But it's a good idea. Bullish for Binance. Pretty cool. El Salvador loses half its investment in Bitcoin as crypto plunges. Yeah, it's Nayib Bukele. That's his name. So I like the guy. But yeah. Definitely citizens can't be too happy with all his Bitcoin buys. Yeah, gambled away taxpayer money. No, he's investing, but it's going to take a while. MicroStrategy, Bitcoin, bet backfires, holding losses near 1 billion. What now? Hold some more. Hold some more. Still really bullish. Michael Saylor's still really bullish. He says he's not in danger of getting liquidated. We'll see about that. But yeah, he's gonna hold and buy some more. That's what he's gonna do. Super ape. All right, and we got a YouTube video here. What is this? Don't want to watch it if it's too long. Fox interview with Charles Payne. All right, so we'll save this for later. We'll watch this later at the end because it's not too long, but I don't want to watch this right now. So I'll keep this link open. Thanks for that, Low Roller. What up, design web page, and what up, Brucey, baby?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Appreciate you guys for being here. I think you're new design web page, so appreciate you. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the show. You need faster internet. Yeah, I probably do. Because when I started the show, I was thinking I needed faster internet. But then I started doing it, and it seems to be working pretty fine. But that definitely should be an upgrade in the future. And also, I just overload this with too many links, and I use a Surface laptop. You know, it's not the... I also got to upgrade my computer in the future for, like, legit streaming. So, yeah. You know, when the show takes off and you know, we get some money doing this, which is pretty soon, 1,000, I'll invest it back into better studio equipment. But for now, you know, I did spend quite a bit already. I spent like a couple $1,000 for my equipment already. But yeah, definitely need some upgrades here in the future. I don't understand the value in NFTs, and I don't even want to know. Yeah, me either. Maybe I'm just becoming old. But I don't have any NFTs. Well, I have CryptoKitties, which I bought back in 2017. Total joke. I don't even know what it's worth now, but it probably went up. But I spent like $400 on CryptoKitties because I legit thought that I was going to play the game and I was going to breed the kitties to make new kitties, right? And I was going to sell the kitties for a lot of ether. Too much work. I did not end up breeding the kitties. But I do have some CryptoKitties that I did purchase for like $400. Not sure what it's worth now, but for the most part, NFTs are a scam. Not all of them. There's the Bored Ape Yacht Club and a few other popular ones, but for the most part, they're scams. So you got to be careful with that stuff. Just like crypto, you know, most of crypto is a scam. Can't be buying all these poop coins. And yeah, Brucey. So, not sure if you saw my response, but yeah, you know, and yesterday you asked in Discord, can you ask questions? Of course, dude. We got a whole range of we got a lot of people in the community that are willing to help. We got people that know their stuff. We got, you know, other beginners. So, for sure, you know, ask away. Everyone's willing to help, and we're all here to teach each other and help each other learn. So, for sure, dude, ask away. I read Sailor won't be totally liquidated until 3K. Yeah, that's what he claims. He claims 3K, and then even if it hits 3K, he can take out more margin. He can take out more loans. So I don't think they're in trouble of getting liquidated, but I don't know. If I was personally invested in MicroStrategy, I don't know how comfortable I would be letting this guy just ape all the money away like that. But should work in the end. I heard Celsius will get liquidation on Bitcoin at 17K. Well, I hope it doesn't even go down there, and I hope they don't get liquidated, but yeah, they're in trouble right now. 21K is margin call, but he can just add more Bitcoin he already owns. Yeah, I think that's what he was saying. If anything, if it gets that bad, he can just take more leverage. Super ape. I'm still holding free NFT on Space Jam. Yeah, got some free money there. What, like $5-10? Redistribution of wealth. Yeah, that's what's happening now. You know, poor people just getting poor. Rich people buying the dip. They're going to be real rich. That already happened during the C19. When everything just dumped and then everyone bought the dip and it came ripping back up. Jay Powell turned the money printer on. Everyone got rich. And yeah, this is how the wealth gaps get bigger. Look in Discord to see how to YOLO like a pro. Lol. Well, what up, Machete? What's up, dude? Sure. 1 second. Did you check CryptoKitty NFT value? I hope you didn't forget your password. No, I didn't check. Last time I checked was like a year ago. I didn't think I made that much. I think it did go up. I don't think I made that much. And yeah, it's in my MetaMask, so I still have it. Just gotta check it out. Michael Saylor robbed the bank since he borrowed money on Bitcoin. Yeah, he I don't know if he robbed the bank, but he's definitely going full ape mode here. And I hope it works out for him. Gotta take daughter to gymnastics. Have fun. All right, peace out, Joe. Thanks for being here. Catch you tomorrow. Or catch you on Discord. What I'm looking at. How to YOLO like a beast. TQQQ. Alright, cool. So it's like $1,000 YOLO. TQQQ down 89% on this one and 61% on this one. Ouch. But still got months to go on those. So hopefully they come back a little bit. And $26 September 16th. Yep. So not looking too great at the moment, but hopefully that works out for you. Good luck, man. And this is something you can afford to lose, I'm assuming. This isn't like a Wall Street bets all in YOLO. So, if you guys can afford to gamble, go for it. Yeah, TQQQ. Let's check it out. Well, it does look pretty bullish. Low RSI. A lot of gap downs. So you need 26. That is very possible. But yeah, it's been rough the past couple of days. And SQQQ. And this has been mooning. This is going inverse. So this should come back down. Yeah, good luck, Machete. I think the opposite. They're bankrupting the middle class to fund the NWO Socialist Society. Well, you can't prove it, but could be. Yeah, middle class definitely gets hit the hardest. Because middle class don't get benefits or anything like that. They're on their own. The ones paying all the taxes. Can you check CryptoKitty NFT value again later today? Yeah, after the show I can. I'm not going to do it live. Alright, guys. So, good stuff. Doing pretty good on time here. It's almost 5 o'clock, so we've been going for an hour. So, yeah, let's get to the TA today, Redbox and IMPP, and then we'll finish up the YOLOs. So, yeah, looks like we're right on time. We should finish around 6 today. I feel bad for Shiba Inu aunt investing $200K since she bought it at the top. That's her fault. Nephew didn't tell her to do it. She just did it herself. So, typical retail dumb stuff. Okay. All right, before we get started here, let me just double check YouTube. 6 viewers, 13 likes. So appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. All right, let's take a quick drink, and we'll do Redbox and IMPP. Okay. Let's do it, guys. Cool. Can I actually move my screen up? That's actually better. Okay. The aunt blame nephew investing Shiba Inu. Yeah, don't take responsibility. Blame it on someone else for sure. Great idea. Oh, that's our fault. Alright, let's do it, guys. And now I hear a fire truck. Yeah, definitely coming this way. Whatever. Or not. It's getting louder. It's like the sirens know what I'm about to, you know, get down to business. So, we'll just wait for this to pass real quick. Alright, we're good. The police? That's the fire truck. But yeah, all types of... Too much noise in the city. Fire truck, ambulance, police, motorcycles, trucks, crackheads, everything. Crazy out here. Don't live here, guys. I don't think you should. Alright, so here is RDBX Redbox Entertainment. This finishes at $10.09 today. That is down 33.92%. What should we give it?
And it's gone.
So we've been covering this stock for almost 2 months now, since this first squeezed, pulled back, and then squeezed again. I did make a video last week saying that at some point the squeeze will have to end. It's gonna have to come crashing down. Just a matter of when, not if. A lot of you guys in the community didn't like that. And I hear you. I did think it would top out at around 11, and it actually went over 18. So definitely went way further than I thought it would. But you know, I stuck to my prediction. Thought it would have to come down, and today we're getting some massive pullback. So usually I get hate when I say stuff is going down, but this time around it was a bit different. It was constructive criticism. So appreciate you guys for not being that mean. But yeah, no company specific news to justify this price action today. It just seems like the squeeze is coming to an end here. Momentum cooling off. People taking profits. Shorts coming in. So still a retail favorite. Still a good amount of momentum going on here. but major pullback today in this stock. So, I'm still rooting for the apes, but don't be too greedy, guys. Make sure you take your profits. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. My neighbor had to beat up a crackhead that was breaking into our cars in our parking lot yesterday. Where do you live, Tyler? Yep, that's nothing new. I hate it when the crackheads walk up to my car and they're bold. They like touch you. Now they touch you. They bang on your window. And they got the nerve to be like, can I get $5? I'm like, $5? What you mean $5? How about none? How about $1? No. A quarter? No. Very persistent. Yeah, it's crazy out here. It's crazy out here. And the police don't do anything either. Jeff Hardy, wrestling, got arrested for DUI. Again, he got suspended AEW without pay. He got arrested DUI 3 times in 4 years. He was driving, suspended license. Yeah, he should go to rehab. I don't watch wrestling like that. But apparently AEW is not that bad. But yeah, he sounds like he needs rehab. Could be back testing the breakout for the MOAS. Yeah, we'll get to that right now. I still think there is upside to go. But yeah, we'll get to that right now. Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. I think you live close to Zach. I'm not sure where Zach lives. I think it's either Ontario or Toronto. But yeah, we got a few Canadians in the community now, so shout out to Canada. Yeah, are you in Discord, Tyler? I don't think you are. If you want to, join Discord, dude. Link in the description. And, we can chat whenever. But I think Zach lives very close to you. Near Niagara. Yeah, I used to live in Syracuse. So kind of near there. Interesting. Shout out to Canada. Shout out to you in Canada. All right. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this appears to be a cup and handle. Bottom of the cup being the low of 160. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be $18. It can be $18, which it hit yesterday. And if it is $18, that would mean it's a bearish indicator because this would start to pull back to form the handle, which it actually already did. So it's actually no longer bearish. It's looking pretty bullish again. If the top is at 18, because the handle is developing, and it should run to the upside again pretty soon. But if the top is not 18, it can also be 1925, 2005, or even the high of 2720. So the cup and handle is a bullish indicator, no matter where the top is. And honestly, I didn't think the stock would pull back this fast, but here we are. Bull flags. In the previous shows, I did point out that we had multiple bull flags. Here was the first one, broke out to the upside. Here was the second bull flag, broke out to the upside. And then we had another bull flag developing. Looked like it was due for another breakout, but this time it got rejected. So unfortunately, the rejected bull flag is a bearish indicator. We did have a gap up at 860. So that's a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back down to 860 eventually to fill that gap. Should happen pretty soon. And then today we had a gap down at 1375. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1375 eventually to fill that gap. And that should also happen in the short term. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 995. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off as well. I think I got everything there. Yeah, okay. Just gotta wait for the siren to pass. Vince McMahon asked him to rehab since he got fired. WWE, he didn't ask for help. Can't do anything about that. Ashley Renting want to move to Florida, but yet Canadian housing market grossly obese. Yeah, I'm not too sure about the Canada housing market, but real estate everywhere is crazy now. I know a few people from New York who wanted to move to Florida, but now can't afford it. So they're stuck here in New York. Yeah, it's crazy out here. But everyone's leaving New York for Florida. I guess I'll have to inject my trillions of dollars to pump the entire economy again. Yeah, where's Jay Powell when you need him? Yeah, the money printer was good while it lasted. Now we get rate hikes. So, you love him and you hate him. Jay Powell. What up, Patrick? What's up, dude?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Good timing, because we're talking about Redbox now. Just curious what you ended up doing. You still holding or what? All right. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Still holding strong. All right, diamond hands. Just have an exit plan, dude.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Okay. So I think we'll go up to... I'll go up to 20 and down to 5? Yeah, we'll see. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1010, which I finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1030, 1050, 1090, 1125, 1170, 1205, 1240, 1270, 1305, 1340, 1395, 1440, 1475, 1555, 1590, 1715, 1795, 1840, 1925, and then 2005. Well, 2005, and then the high of 2720. I guess we'll just go down to 8. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 980, 980, 945, 915, 880, 850, 820. Or we'll go to 7. 790, 765, 735, 710, and then 685. There is support below 685, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now with the current price, 1010. The channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 1050. However, if/when this breaks 1050 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1050. RSI is currently at 57. So major pullback in RSI there. This was overbought and overvalued yesterday. So pretty average now. A little bit above average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 1010 should be a little bit lower. And this did 31 million in volume today, way above the average of 4 million. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. And we are getting some pretty big pullback in volume the past couple of days. So it does appear like momentum is cooling off and the squeeze is coming to an end. For now, at least. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Been through enough dips in the market to be well trained on this one. Yeah. Oh, you did good already, Patrick. So good luck to you. Just have a plan, dude. Exit plan. I like Florida. Got some friends there. Don't really want to settle down anyway. I want to travel more in general. Yeah. Home ownership isn't really as popular anymore. Young people aren't really doing it, so. And you get... That's like a lot of illiquid money and you get tied down, so don't blame me, dude. Low Roller says you can marry ugly chicks and get your green card and then get divorced. That's what a lot of pretty women do to American men, so, you know, Uno reverse card, that's pretty funny. I haven't really seen that one, marrying ugly chicks to get your green card, but I've definitely seen it the other way around. That's pretty funny. You can be a mail order husband. Okay. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So yeah, I did say yesterday that it was way overdue for a pullback. I did say that shorting in the $15 range would easily be a 45% gain to the downside. And honestly, I didn't think it would come down this quick. But here we are. So yeah, it does look like the squeeze is coming to an end for now. And the stock is returning to the average here. But still very volatile, so still opportunities to make money on both sides. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Honestly, the current price of 1010 is a way better price than yesterday at 15. And it is an acceptable entry. Pretty average entry here. But I do believe there is more downside to go. Again, there is the gap up at 860. And I think it will pull back down there to fill the gap. To at least 860. So I don't really have a problem with you guys going long at 1010, the current price, but if you hold off for a little bit, you should be able to get a better entry at 860 and lower. So So I would support going long at 860, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. And then eventually, this should come back up to 1375 to fill the gap down. So from 860 up to 1375, that would be about a 40% upside. So I think going long at 860 would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. So yeah, 1010 not a bad entry, but if you're a little patient here, you should be able to get an excellent entry at 860 and lower, and that should be a lot of tendies to the upside, at least 40%, I would say, at least the 40% upside potential, upside gain, I would say. Okay. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice. You missed a lot of downside already. I said go short yesterday, back at 15. Pulled back very significantly, 34%. But there is still a bit more downside to go here. Again, I do think the gap will fill at 860. So from the current price of 1010, what would that be? There's still another 15% downside here. So the fat tendies are gone. You missed your chance, but you still have a chance to make a decent amount of money on the downside here. So I would say going short here would be a medium risk, medium reward play, because this should come back down to 860 to fill the gap, but it's still very volatile. Anything can happen. So personally, I wouldn't go for it because there isn't enough downside potential to justify the risk, in my opinion. But honestly, you should be able to make 15% here. So I can't support going short at 1010. And I would say cover at 860 where the gap is for a relatively easy 15% downside gain. May go lower than that, but I would definitely cover at 860. Okay. So yeah, pretty straightforward, guys. Crazy stock, crazy price action for the last few months. It already squeezed twice. Looks like this squeeze is coming to an end, but I would not be surprised if it squeezes again in the near future. But yeah, it looks like momentum is cooling off. But yeah, it looks like volume is coming down. Momentum is cooling off. So don't be afraid to take your profits, guys. Don't get too greedy. And yeah, if you want to go long, I think there's a bit more downside to go, so I wouldn't go long just yet. I would hold off, try to get this back at 860, where the gap is. I think that'd be a much better entry. And if you want to go short, you missed a lot of downside already, but still a bit more downside to go. So while I personally wouldn't go for it, you should be able to make about 15% to the downside here. So I would support going short at 1010, and I would cover at 860 where the gap is. And yeah, eventually, this should come back up to 14 to fill the gap and higher. So rooting for you, apes. But yeah, it looks like the squeeze is over for the moment, so take your profits. So I would suggest taking your profits and coming back when this is ready to squeeze again. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is RDBX Redbox Entertainment. It's actually down to 955 now, so pulling back pretty hard. Did anyone from Vietnam and China offer to pay you money to marry their daughter so the daughter can get green card? No. No one has. And even if they did, I would not do it. Hell no. Because you bring them here, the culture changes, and they can divorce you, and yeah. I'm not getting married to an American woman. If I ever do get married, it ain't gonna be here in this country. Let's just put it that way. I don't want to go too much into it, but yeah, marriage is a bad idea financially, which, you know, eventually I'll make a video on. Hey, gonna head out? Thanks again. All right, peace out, Tyler, and peace out, Patrick. Appreciate you guys. Hit the like button on your way out if you haven't yet, guys. All right, next one. IMPP. So just IMPP and then Yolos. And before we do that, let me just check YouTube again real quick. 7 viewers, 13 likes. So I appreciate everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And yes, please smash the like button if you haven't yet, guys. Okay, IMPP. Let's do it. So here is IMPP Imperial Petroleum. This finishes at 62 cents today. That is down 20.88%. We'll just give it the World Jack as well. So we've been covering this stock for the past few weeks. Had a lot of retail momentum on social media. And it does appear like it had a mini squeeze. Looks like a gamma squeezed. So today, this still was top 10 on StockTwits. Had over 6,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. Now, there was a reason as to why the stock went down so much today. The earnings came out. So let's check that out first. Okay. So EPS was -1 cent. -1 cent. And revenue was 5.1 million. So I'm not sure what the estimates were. But that doesn't seem too impressive. It is a small company, though, to be fair. But yeah, it seems like the market didn't like it. So the market is selling off. So the market is selling shares and shorting this down. But all right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 38 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 108, 155, 182, 230. Well, and longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be 275, 450, 610, or even the high of 970. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. We do have a gap down at 470, so that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 470 eventually to fill that gap. Oh, I think there's another one. Yeah. And then we have another gap down at 155. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 155 eventually to fill that gap. Did it? Oh, it did. My bad. Never mind. No second gap. Just one gap. In the aftermarket here, this is running up to 63 cents. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will run to the upside. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 66 cents and 56 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 66 cents, 78 cents, 86 cents, 90 cents, 97 cents, 110, 115, 125, 135, 145, and then 155. There is resistance above 155, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 56 cents, 48 cents, 40 cents, and then the low of 38 cents. So right now at the current price, 62 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 240 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 240. RSI is currently at 46. So that is pretty average, a little bit below average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 62 cents should be a little bit higher. And this did 135 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So yeah, this was disappointing earnings. But still overall, according to the chart, the stock still looks pretty bullish. Again, we only have bullish indicators, cup and handle, gap down, aftermarket action. No bearish indicators, and we have a neutral indicator in the RSI. So yeah, the stock does still to be, so the stock still appears to be really bullish. So the stock still appears to be bullish. In the short and long terms. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, it appears like this is going to pull back a bit more, but there aren't really too many more supports to go to the downside here. It's likely this pulls back down to 56. But then all the supports after that seem pretty strong. So you really can't go too wrong at the current price, 62. Already a pretty decent entry. But if you hold off for a little bit, you should be able to get possibly even better entries. So I would support going along at 56. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. And yeah, there's really not too much more downside to go here. Very strong support, almost near the bottom. And let's see here. Let's do some quick math. So if you were to enter at 56 cents, again, it should come back up to 470 at some point in the future to fill the gap. And that would be around a 740% upside potential there. So major upside potential and really not too much downside potential. I don't think it's going to break 56, but if it does, really shouldn't break 48 after that. That's where the next critical support is. And that would be so I would say going long in 56 cents would be wow, stupid motorcycles. So I would say going long at 56 cents would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. But this is definitely a buy and hold. This is not a short-term swing trade squeeze play. Or at least I wouldn't treat it as one. I would treat this as a long-term hold. A lot of value. Just got to be patient. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, all bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, and this is near a relative, and this is already near the low. So, I really shouldn't go too much lower, not too much downside. I think it will come back down to 56, but really shouldn't go too much lower than that. You should have went short way back when this first squeezed to over $9. And here at 62 cents, I think it's way too late to go short here. You missed your chance. And really no reason to go short. Again, not too much downside potential. And huge upside potential in the long term. 740% upside potential. So yeah, I don't really see a reason why you go short here. So I don't really see why to go short here. Seems like a really bad idea. Probably going to get squeezed out. So I wouldn't do it. I would not recommend it. Don't really see a reason why you would go short here. But if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. I would say going short here would be a very high risk, low reward play. Just doesn't really make sense. So pretty straightforward, guys. Disappointing earnings. Sold off really hard today. But still looks really strong. Still looks really bullish in the short and long terms. So just hang in there, guys. Hold strong. And one day you will be rewarded. You will be rewarded. So if you want to go long, the current price, 62 cents. 62 cents, not a bad entry. But if you're a little patient, you should be able to get a bit better. And in the long term, a lot of upside potential. And if you want to go short, I would not do that. I would not recommend that. Mr. Chance. It's near the bottom. All bullish indicators, no bearish indicators. So probably a bad idea going short here. So do that at your own risk. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is IMPP Imperial Petroleum. Alright guys, so it took a little longer than I expected, but there, we're done with the TA. Let's go ahead and get to the Yolos now. And let me just check how many people still here, because I think most people dipped. Oh, we're still at 7 people. So I thought people dipped. No one's chatting anymore, but you guys are real ones.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And yeah, I know there's a lot of lurkers. Because there's the regulars that chat a lot, but then there's always, I know there are people in the community that don't, say anything. They don't actively participate. So, shout out to you guys. Just want to let you guys know, I hear you. Well, I see you. And don't be shy. Alright, so let's get to the Yolos. I got 7 today. So give me a second. Load this up. And we'll finish up here. So anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns? Charts? Anything? Put it in the chat right now. We'll get to that. Otherwise, we'll just finish up here with the Yolos. And yeah, we should be out of here in the next 20 minutes. Actually, this is all memes, pretty much. So this really shouldn't take long. Okay, please smash the like button if you haven't yet, guys. Can I give this another second to finish loading, and we'll get finished up here with the memes. With the Yolos. Here's another fire truck. Okay. So today, guys, it should be fun. Got a lot of Yolos, a lot of memes mostly, and some lost corn. Should be fun. Let's do it. So first one. I don't see a name here, so I can't give him credit. But damned if you do, damned if you don't. I think it's doomed if you do, damned if you don't. But yeah, here we got Jay Powell. Our man Jay Powell, 50-point rate hike, soaring inflation, or 75-point rate hike, recession. Which one? Which one? Do I have a meme for this? Which one? Yes, that's which one. Yes. So either way, it's going to go bad. But actually, yeah, I don't know. I'd probably go with the 50. We'll see, though. See what this guy does. But yeah, doomed if you do, damned if you don't. Either way, it's going to be pretty rough. So great meme here. I think Reddit has a problem loading right now. Maybe it's my computer. I think it's Reddit. So I can't give credit. It's not posting the usernames. But yeah, this one says, knock, knock, you're next. So here's the Grim Reaper. Stocks, Slade. Cryptocurrency, Slade. And real estate, uh-oh, knock knock. Yeah, real estate is the only thing that's still up. And it does look like it is starting to pull back. So, we'll see. But yeah, definitely, I can see real estate going down. And hopefully rent goes down too, because it's crazy out here. Alright, a lot of talk about Wendy's dumpsters. I'm here, what am I looking for? So this guy's legit in the, in the back where the Wendy's dumpsters are. So shout out to this guy. Where's my, Here it is. There you go. So what are you looking for? You're looking for strange old men who offer you money. Oh, I wish I could read the comments. Oh, there kind of is. Gated community, that's high class. Yeah, so I can't really read this stuff. It's not PG-13, but great post there, great post there. Maybe I'll catch you out back there. Could use some services. Okay. So this one, imagine going all in on companies like Zoom, Shopify, Robinhood, Teladoc, and Roku during the largest bubble in market history, and then holding through what will likely be the greatest recession in this country has ever seen. I don't know about that, but okay. Remember when she said oil was uninvestable or something of the sort? So here's Cathie Wood. Everyone's clowning on Cathie Wood, rightfully so. Yeah, they're not shorting innovation, they're shorting you. So yeah, so ARK down 58%. I think this is SARK up 79%. And yeah, give her the clown. Give Cathie Wood the clown. Because she's definitely been having a rough time the past 2 years. Don't know how she's still in business. But shout out to Cathie Wood. She gets a little bit too much hate. But, yeah, you know. Hope she's okay. Alright, last meme here. Buy signal confirmed. So here's our man, Peter Tuchman. Yeah! The bullish indicator. On Wall Street Bets, at least. Yeah, I don't know. It hasn't been working lately. Has not really been working lately. So, we could use some of that bullish momentum now. So, yeah. You know, I'm excited when I see this guy. But he hasn't been working his magic. But shout out to Peter Tuchman. Hopefully good times come pretty soon. Alright, let's get on to the Lost Coin here. Got 2 of them. And let me open up Low Roller's stuff. He has 2 for us here. Alright. 3. Alright, One of Us. So, I manage my wife's investments. I told her we would contribute semi-annually. She hasn't seen her portfolio since January. How do I explain to her she is down 75K in the last 6 months? That is old in VC. What is VC? It was as high as 50 racks at one point. What's VC, Wilson? But yeah, guys. So honestly, this isn't that bad. He says he doesn't care, and he wants to buy the dip, but his wife might not like it. This is the problem with having a wife. You got to make financial decisions together. So it says lump sum is 500K and 6,000 every 6 months. Honestly, that's not really that bad. If you lost 75K, that's less than 20%. which is what the market lost right now. So it's not even like you really gambled the stock, gambled your money away. This is actually responsible investing. It's a damn dog outside. But yeah, this is actually pretty safe investing. He wants to go with Vanguard funds, which is pretty safe ETFs. So this isn't even that bad. Just 75K in 6 months is pretty bad. But if you look at it in the grand scheme of things, this is perfectly normal. And yeah, this isn't even bad at all. So you just gotta tell her, and she might be upset, but honestly, this is not being irresponsible. This is not YOLOing your life savings or anything like that. Your kid's college fund, your mortgage money or whatever. So just tell her, and hopefully she understands. But yeah, this isn't even bad. Shout out to you. Vietnamese communists. All right, got you. Viet Cong. All right, yeah, got you, dude. It was as high as 50. What was as high as 50 racks? Don't forget about YouTube video. Yeah, I got that still. All right, this says they were right. Only first one is free. 823% to minus 99% in 8 weeks. So we got a bunch of lift FDs here. I think this is for May 6th. And I don't think this is too much money. But yeah, lift FDs. I can't even. Yeah, Reddit's being screwy right now. I can't even go to the next page. All right, whatever. But yeah, so he was up 823%. Held, diamond hands. And now it's worth 0. So I don't think there was actually too much money involved here. Looks like maybe over $1,000. But yeah, so this isn't that bad money wise. But yeah, guys, if you're up this much, take your profits. Don't get greedy. Chill with FDs. Cash out. Because if you hold, it's probably going to 0. Great example here. All right, it'll turn around, people. We are at all-time low levels all around. Give it some time and keep the faith. This guy isn't down that much. 59%. But yeah, down 100K. That sucks. I feel the pain. We will rise again someday. I regret nothing. It's been an honor. This guy is down 80%. Not that bad. 17K. Okay. All of my money is going towards rent and gas. Sounds about right. I live with my mom and have to contribute $250 a month to help out with rent. That's not too bad. I work a part-time job, $17 an hour, and I'm in college. Work part-time. Take home is $1,500. Problem is, job is 30 miles away. Why is it so far? Last car is issues. I'm driving my mom's truck. 600 miles a week and live in California. Obvious answer, get a new job, but no one is hiring. Yeah, I think he answered his own question. It's not even worth it to drive that far. So, yeah, either get a new job, find a remote job, if anything. Plenty of those. But yeah, bad money management here. Shouldn't be going that far to work. Part-time job. Shrinkflation. So there's just a bunch of stuff here. So they charge you for the wrapping now. That's pretty funny. What is that? Almond butter? These posts aren't even showing up. Reddit's not loading right now. Reddit's there's something wrong with Reddit, so can't even see all of these. So maybe next time. She can work at McDonald's, pays you $15 an hour her area. In California, shouldn't it be more? I don't know. But yeah, definitely can't be spending all your money on gas like that and depreciation. Alright, so we got one more order of business. A YouTube video here. We'll play it on 2x speed. But it's only 4 minutes, so should only take 2 minutes here. That's pretty much the show, guys. So anything else put in chat right now? Otherwise, we'll just finish up here with this video. Alright, let's see what's going on. Elon GOAT token creates huge momentum for Musk. What the hell?
Part of this, of course, is bit for Twitter's made him an instant hero for many, maybe a villain for others, but there's now a larger-than-life bus being made to, and will be donated to Musk himself as part of a promotion by the folks behind the Elon GOAT token, or EGT. They join me now, co-founders Ashley Standalone, along with...
Wait, what is that? What was that rocket? Why does it say Elon GOAT? What is this rocket? Okay. Memeing himself here.
Standalone, along with Corey Strawbridge. All right, hey, let me walk us through how this project came about, guys.
I started with a really crazy viral idea. There are a lot of tokens out there that are seeking Elon Musk's attention every day. He's giving it to many. And we just thought the best way to do it would be to do something that no one else has ever done before and build something really, really cool.
All right, so that's not him. That's not him. They're building a rocket, and they put Elon's name on it. So they're pumping the coin.
That would go viral and get everyone involved and build a lot of energy and hopefully spark his interest in noticing us in a sea of so many others.
Has Elon, do you know if Elon Musk has actually seen it yet?
We don't know for sure. We trended very high on his Twitter. We ranked top on his Twitter feed, which I know he's very active on so many times. We've had probably over 1 million views now on his Twitter. So there's a good chance that he's seen it. We know that there's a lot of Tesla employees that are holders of the token and SpaceX holders, that are interested in the project. And more than anything, what's most important is that when we deliver it in Austin, Texas, in around a month from now, he comes out and takes a look at it or recognizes it in some way. That's what's most important to us.
It's so interesting. I see the rocket behind you, something.
All right, so it's a total meme. It's a total meme. Don't buy this, guys. This is ridiculous. Don't buy this. Please don't buy it.
Either that's owed to SpaceX or maybe Dr. Strangelove. I'm not sure which one.
Well, I think that we just tried to mimic some of his own projects and then put an artistic flair on it that would look amazing for a long time to come. We put a lot of time and energy and people behind the build. I think it's going to look great forever. I mean, our plan is to have this thing around long after we're alive. So,
hey, I know, to your point, you're promoting an EGT coin. Now, here's the thing, and Corey, maybe you could chime in on this. The crypto critics, and even fans, I got to tell you, are saying there's too many coins. There's 19,000 of them. So what justifies yours?
Nothing. Nothing at all. Better marketing, better hype.
What we're doing it for in the utility. There's a lot of coins made every day. They're called pumps and dumps in this market. A lot of them don't last. They stick around for a day to 3 days, maybe even a week. And people just go into it, swing trade, hope to make a quick buck. However, like our coin, the utility that we're introducing to it, who we're doing it for, how big this is. I mean, we've started a crazy community. We refer to it.
Nope, don't believe it. This is also a pump and dump. Maybe it'll last longer than a week, but still a pump
It's like, the Bitcoin community. We've got most of our holders since day one still holding our token and bringing in, their grandmas, their family, their friends. People often in their life
Oh no. Don't bring in your grandma, don't bring in your families and your friends.
savings pretty much.
That's a big responsibility. What's so different, though? You mentioned the community that helps in those things. I mean, what gives you the confidence that someone should, for instance, bring their grandmother in it with their life savings?
I think
we have either one.
Go ahead, Corey.
Sure, we have a huge community behind us. So, think about the utility. We're the only token out there that has a board of advisory, like Jeff Hoffman, Napoleon Smith, Jason Hervey, great PR team. That came into crypto, have never been part of the project, that actually see the beneficial side of this.
Okay. Well, I got to tell you, I'm a crypto novice, but I'm a lover of art, and I think the sculpture is beautiful. I hope Musk sees it and appreciates it. Good luck to you guys. Ash and Corey, appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, joining me now.
All right. So, yeah, don't listen to a damn thing that these guys say. It is a straight up pump and dump. Don't put in your life savings. Don't bring in your family. Don't do none of that. It's a scam.
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
Maybe if Elon does acknowledge it, it may pump temporarily, but nah. Don't buy that, guys. Alright, so that's it. So, great show today. I thought it was, at least. Hope you guys enjoyed. So, yeah, we're finishing right around 2 hours. So, right on time. Appreciate everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. We had got through quite a bit of stuff today. A lot of articles. 2 TAs. Yolos. So, I hope everyone enjoyed. So, shout out to everyone who joined today. Tuesday is usually a slow day. But, seems like the community and the chat, the show is growing every day. The community in general is growing every day. So, appreciate you guys. You're the real ones. Shout out to everyone who's still here. I don't think a lot of people are still here, but shout out to you guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And that's it for today. So, anything else, guys? Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out of here. So we're just going to put on the shades and check YouTube. But, yep. That's it, guys. Four viewers still. So, not sure who still here, but it says 4 people still. Appreciate everyone. I think it's Low Roller. Brucey's one of them. All right, peace out, Brucey. I think that's it. So, let's get out of here. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on The Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.